Hello friends. So a few days back, I dyed a fabric using shibori technique. Coming to my sari obsession, I converted the fabric into a sari. Well, the color payoff wasn't that great for this, but I love the shade from white to this. I attached a sequence lace throughout the border of the sari. Well, my mom did it, but you know the drill. And the sari was ready. For styling the sari, I am using a silver zari embroidered blouse and the closest matching colored petticoat that I had. It's always a good idea to check and use whatever that is there in our closet rather than repurchasing. Also to mention, I did try pressing the sari to get rid of the wrinkles, but for some reason they do not go away. I assume it is because of the dyeing. Before tucking in the sari into the waist, always prefer wearing heels so that the length of the sari to be tucked in can be determined. The length of the pallu, keep it usually till the knee length or below the knee. It gives an illusion of a tall person. Learn to make the pleats of the sari beforehand. Make the pleats, tuck it into the waist, and the style, navy style, is ready. Now the second style, I'll be using this dupatta. Quickly removing the pallu, we'll be making random pleats that I'll neaten up later and place it on the left side of the shoulder. We'll be tucking in the dupatta with the pleats and also we'll be securing it with a safety pin. We'll then be taking the pallu of the sari, swirling around to bring it near the waist, overlapping the dupatta to secure it. Now taking the dupatta from the waist, making sure that it is not overlapping the border of the sari, we'll be placing it on the right side of the shoulder. Lastly, the step is to correct the pleats of the sari pallu. Since the sari has a border, we'll be taking the border as a guide to make all the pleats and then securing them with a safety pin on the shoulder. So here's how the infinity double pallu drape looks like. Do let me know by commenting down below which one you liked. This is me in the navy style open pallu. For the hair, I plan to keep it all at one side. Hence, we'll be combing the hair all to that side. Then securing the other side with a bobby pin so that they stay intact and don't fall back. For jewelry, I'll be wearing my very old American diamond jhumkas and white stone bangles. This is me in the infinity double pallu drape. I chose to tame my hair in a messy bun and wore chandful earrings. While dyeing the fabric, I was so disappointed that the color did not pay off. But you know what? This ice blue color, I'm loving it. Do let me know by commenting down below how you felt the sari to be. Also, if you like the video, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you in my next video. Until then, bye!